Howdy. Workday's over. Let's go find something to do. Perfect. Today's mission, get submerged in as many waterfalls as possible. I know a place that has a series of waterfalls in very quick succession. Gonna get a little sip of coffee. This area also has a shooting range, so hopefully people don't mistake me for a cute little deer because I'm so petite and nimble as I gallop through the woods on these adventures. We'll suit up the rest of the way when we're up there. We made it to the first one. So beautiful. The water's really clear, pretty cold. This one has a custom little hot tub thing, cold tub. It's a cold tub. We got number 2 here. Some beautiful swimming holes over there and the big kahuna. Let's keep moving. Oh, wow. Incredible. These trails have eroded like crazy with all the storms lately. See this whole side of it just brushed right away. Beautiful little baby pools down here. The water's surprisingly clear. Once again, I'm hiking around in just an insane outfit. All right, found a nice little slide at the end here. Great day. Yeah, get out there and explore, man. We're right next to the highway. I lost count, maybe 4 or 5 good little waterfalls and some good pools to swim in. A natural water slide. It's all out there if you just go look for it. All right, bye.